Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install apps in MacBook. Whether you are new to Mac ecosystem or just need a refresher, I will show you how to download apps on MacBook in just a few simple steps. To install apps on your MacBook, open the App Store. You can find it easily by clicking on the Launchpad icon in your dock. So this is the Launchpad, click on it. Then look for the App Store icon. This is App Store, so click on it. By the way, I'm using Ventura, which is currently the latest version of Mac OS. If you are using an older version of Mac, then the interface might be a bit different. Now that you are in the App Store, you can explore a wide range of apps. Use the search bar to find a specific app, or browse through the categories on the left hand side. Once you have found the app you want, click on its icon to view its details. You will see a Get button under the app's name. Click on that. Now click on this Install button. The app will then be downloaded and installed automatically. Depending on your setting, you might be prompted to enter your Apple ID and password to confirm the download. As I have already entered my login credentials, so there is no pop-up. So once the download is complete, you can click on this Open button to launch the application. You can access this folder by clicking on the Finder icon in the dock. And then simply double click on the app's icon to open and start using it. So this is our app we have just installed. So double click on it. So that's it. You have successfully installed app on your MacBook. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more MacBook guides.